G. Cooper from Southern California, USA, and this is the fourth video in a series called Diabetics is a Symptom, Not a Disease, Why GQ Functional Nutrition is the Key. So I wanted to break it down to you in smaller videos so it doesn't get overwhelming. All right, so CK family. CK stands for compound K. Compound K power has 100% domestic ginseng saponin and applied bioconvergence technology, while CKH has 20% and other herbs. So the CK specs, this is for the compound K power now. You could get the 1 month supply or 6 month supply. The main ingredient is the ginseng saponin, 100% produced from South Korea, the best source in the world for ginseng cultivation and technology. Each bottle contains 1 gram times 5 in each boxes, and if you order the 6 month supply, there's 6 boxes, so 30 grams of powder type. These are portable, easy to carry sizes. Divide 1 bottle into 5 to 7 day portions for healthy physiques, and needing extra supplementary boost, double the dosage into 3 to 4 day supply. This can be taken by mixing it into a small bottle of water, shaken until the bubbles. Saponin in Latin means soap, lathering. Another way is swallow the powder straight and drink water to wash it down. The best way for the highest absorption is through sublingually under the tongue method for maximum absorption rate. This is not the easiest method as the taste is not the most pleasing, but it is the highest efficacy. For detailed CK product training, you should check out the many CK videos online, and I have more detailed video. I should have updated CK video shortly, so watch out for that. So please check out the instruction before using this or any other products from GCoop. The specs contents include instructions and frequently asked questions are available online, so please check it out. You could actually contact me. We have free membership, and there's a rebate program as well, so just ask me and I'll hook you up. Or you can attend our weekly webinar. You could also ask me for the webinar address, ID, and password to attend as well. We have one every Monday, Wednesday, and I believe Thursday, if I'm correct. So saponin absorption process, in a nutshell, number 1, saponin ingested. Ginsenocide contains various components found in ginseng. These are the active agents. And the reason for taking saponin or ginseng is for the active agent. However, there's a problem. Again, we don't have the enzymes necessary to break down these large molecules. They're too large, and our cells are not really using it because they're not able to break it down. So saponin that was unable to be absorbed is being decomposed by bodily microorganisms. And then ours is converted into compound K. It's been broken down into nano size. It's converted into what is called MEBT. There's a new name now. It's going to come up shortly. So it's converted into compound K by microorganisms that and can be absorbed into the body. And compound K that is able to be absorbed is effective. Others are not. So this is some of the Q&A. Is ginseng not beneficial for body type that generate excessive heat or those living in warm climates? Well, ginseng lowers heat for body types that generate excess heat and raise the temperature for body types that do not generate enough heat. This is different than white ginseng. That actually has some other reasons. It is untrue that ginseng is not beneficial for the body types that generate excess heat. Ginseng helps with circulation and increases metabolism, so there may be an initial feeling of warmth. However, it does not raise body temperature or heart rate. It is a temporary symptom that may occur initially. It is recommended to avoid consuming ginseng products while experiencing fever symptoms from the common cold. However, it is beneficial to prevent the common cold and to restore health after the illness has passed. And then, is ginseng additive? Ginseng is not additive, and average consumption amount is 6 grams a day. So you can take up to the whole bottle a day. Depending on a body type and size, it can range from a smaller amount to 10 times the average amount. If taken in excess, it is flushed out of the body, so you don't have to worry about it. And then, is it safe for women to take during postpartum? Ginseng may cause breast milk to dry up. It is recommended for women in postpartum to use the product after breastfeeding has ended. So it's actually probably better to dry up your milk or lactation. So what is ginsenocide? This is the CK balance, CKH. And ginsenocides or panaxocides are a class of natural product steroid, glycosides, and tridopine saponins. Compounds in this family are found almost excessively in the plant genus Panax ginseng, which has a long history of use in traditional medicine that has led to the study of pharmacological effects of ginseng compounds. So what is ginsenocide? Well, ginsenocides are the saponin compounds. Saponin are the active ingredients found in red ginseng and ginseng saponins. Found in red ginseng and ginseng have a unique chemical structure and are classified as glycosides. When the sugar chains of the saponin are broken down by the microorganisms in the intestines, they become compound K, a substance that is able to be absorbed by the body. Saponin absorption rate increases when converted to compound K. Red ginseng saponin must be broken down by microorganisms in the intestines in order to be absorbed. However, 25% of Koreans, due to inactive intestinal microbial enzymes, are unable to absorb saponin, according to Korean Ministry of FDS. And the methodology of General Bio. At General Bio, there's a routine product lot testing conducted at Internal Corporate Research Institute for optimal safety and quality assurance. And then we use the MEBT. I told you I forgot the name. It's multi-enzymatic bioconvergence technology that's been upgraded from the recent bioconvergence technology. So we're constantly advancing. You guys, I'm telling you, we have the R&D and Research Institute. I mean, they're upgrading faster than you could go to the bathroom and come back from your detox diet. I'm telling you, just like they're going so fast. This is why we're always learning every time. And then the General Bio production process is absolutely amazing. It goes through ingredient cultivation. Ours went through red ginseng and ginseng cultivated for 6 years. Okay, anything over 6 years becomes unusable or inefficient. And then confirming quality of ingredients, ginseng certificate, cultivation certificate, agricultural pesticide testing report, dry ginseng COA, residual pesticide testing report, on and on and on and on. The quality testing is absolutely amazing. And then General Bio extraction method is, like I said, it's the MEBT. That's the multi-enzymatic bioconvergence technology. And then the formulation is the fermented ginseng extract plus concentrated red ginseng extract plus the traditional Eastern ingredients and so on. That's found in the CKH. And then tableting and demineralization. Using the blended ingredients, tablets are produced and demineralized, does not contain silicon dioxide, magnesium stearate, and so on, and then binding agents, and so on. Coating, tablets are coated with clear coating, no coloring agents, and then external quality testing, tested for safety and quality assurance, and then final check, dietary supplement logo, and then advertising, marketing, change reviewed, and so on, and shipped for storage. Products that have undergone a final check are shipped for storage. So that's the process that we go through pretty much. The next product is Decursin. All right, this is the last one. I can breathe after this. Okay. And this is all the products we recommend for diabetic health. So don't get diet. Don't eat so much, fatty fast foods. Okay. Decursin is our brain health, cognitive health. And it contains individually recognized ingredient from Korea MFDS, Angelica gigas Nakai root extract. It has a certification number 2014-44. And Angelica gigas Nakai root extract powder is an individually recognized ingredient by the Korean MFDS. Since 2014, and Decursin is a compound of Angelica gigas root. It helps to support cognition and joint health. So remember, this combined with CK and then rock pine, this is going to be excellent, must have for diabetes, along with all the other the basics. So what is Angelica gigas Nakai? So it is also known as Korean Angelica, is a monocarpic biennial, short-lived perennial herb of the Apelaceae family. There are Chinese and Japanese Angelica plants as well. And then this one is known for its yellowish white bark, and is slightly bitter in taste and has powerful aroma. This is the kind of smell that you're going to find when you're going into a Chinese herb doctor's office. You're going to smell that unique smell. That's what this is. And that's the active ingredient. Now, the most commonly known major active ingredient found in is the Decursin, and decursinol, angelate, and notochanin, whatever, is the type of ingredient, and it is reported that the root of the plant contains a high concentrate of Decursin. And so what is cognition? Cognition is the intellectual process by which learning and realization occurs through implicit thinking. And it encompasses memory, attention, language, awareness of space and time, ability to perform, judgment, and abstract thinking. And the aspect of cognition is flexibility, insightfulness, judgment, problem solving, ability to perform, awareness of space and time, and then language and communication, concentration, reaction time, memory, and abstract thinking. And then the decline of cognition includes loss of reasoning, forgetfulness, learning disabilities, decreased concentration, as well as other mental functions. Due to the fact that it is caused by aging, it is beneficial to continually get neural psychological testing after the age of 40. It is extremely important to catch it early on and prevent further risk. Now, do you always forget your keys? Or do you forget that you even had the keys? Well, you're going to need Decursin. And then the cause of memory decline after the age of 30 brain cells begin to decline. Memory is the ability to store information in the brain and use it when necessary. However, consistent stress and tension promotes exhaustion of brain cells, causing memory decline. Depression, anxiety, as well as lack of sleep or excessive drinking may also promote memory decline. So the extraction method is 95% Angelica gigas Nikai root extract is extracted using the ethanol extraction method and contains high concentration of decursinol, and gelatin, and notochanin. It is followed by 4 weeks of toxicity testing and so on. And then this is excellent. So if you're taking CoQ10, ginkgo biloba, or other cognitive products, ginkgo biloba leaf extract, CoQ10, vitamin D from nutritional yeast, vitamin B6 from nutritional yeast, vitamin B6 from nutritional yeast, and selene from nutritional yeast are all there to support cognitive health. And then it does not contain, that none of our products contain the silicon dioxide, magnesium stearate, artificial fragrance, colors, fillers, and all of those things. That's it, and that concludes Diabetes is a Symptom, not a Disease, why G-Coop Functional Nutrition is